And we're going to get a fight. Nightingale and Hagel.
Finally.
The sticks were in the way. Now a shot by Nightingale knocked off the helmet of Hagel. Hagel trying to answer. They're in tight. Two big combatants going toe-to-toe. So far wrestling. Now Hagel tries a quick release. There's Nightingale's helmet popping off. Now they're strung out a bit. Hagel trying to land some rights. Nightingale looking to answer. This is turning into a long bout.
Exhausted. Good battle. Jared Nightingale now is out, I believe, what, 3 of the last 4 games?
Sounds right.
And finally, as I mentioned, I thought they might battle a little earlier when they're fairly close together. This is a face-off to the right of Copley. Trupp in the middle, and Nightingale stops the progress of Hagel, and for some reason he decided to go now. Made it stick in the way and pulled out like a toothpick by Hagel. One thing I've witnessed from, I think, Nightingale is those short little ones he gets in quickly and surprises the opponent. Usually right around the nostrils.
Hagel was the AHL Man of the Year a year ago.
Dosido there. Oof.